Good Tuesday morning, everybody. It's October 1st, and as is customary on the first of the month, we're going to take a quick look back at how we fared in September at Bowling Green. Warmest day was 95. Our coolest morning, we dipped down to 47. We blew precipitation, no pun intended, way out of the water here. Almost 6 inches of rainfall for the month. That's over 2.3 inches above where we should be, which is right about 3.5 inches or so. Obviously, our wettest day came just a couple of days ago on the 26th of September with over 3 inches because we had all of the remnants of Helene roll through here and dump all of that rainfall. The good news is rainfall over the next 5 days looks to be sparse at worst. As you see here, just a couple of hundredths possible across the tri-state over the next 5 days. It'll give the ground a little bit of time to soak up all that rainfall from Helene, and that should help our drought situation, which is great news. After that front passes later today, a brief cool down on Wednesday, closer to where we should be. Then things start to warm up for the weekend before a stronger reinforcing shot of cooler air gets in here by early next week, which you'll see in the 7-day forecast here in just a moment. Plenty of dense morning fog that should dissipate. Then we'll get a break before we watch a couple of evening and late afternoon showers roll in here as that cold front gets a little bit closer. By the lunch hour, nice and quiet, but here comes some of that shower activity as that front begins to make its passage. Some of you will see very little, others will see a couple of showers. 1 or 2 of those might have a heavier downpour, but we're not concerned about thunderstorms or severe weather, anything like that. Waking up tomorrow morning could be a little on the crisp side with temperatures upper 40s and lower 50s before only into the 60s by the lunch hour on Wednesday. So fog early, then a couple of afternoon showers. We're, again, just keeping that chance at about 20% for the most part. You see everybody here getting to right around 80 degrees. Then tonight, depending on how fast that front crosses, mainly upper 40s along the Ohio River. 50s you get further to the south near the parkways and closer toward the Tennessee line. As I said, we will see a brief cool down on Wednesday, mid-70s or so. Then we warm right back up as we head into the weekend. A second reinforcing shot of cooler air will get in here late Sunday and into Monday with a big drop in temperatures for our highs by the time we get to Monday.